Hi there and welcome to Halloween season at Lottie Jasmine Designs. So we've got two, maybe three videos for you. They've got a bit of a Halloween-y type theme to it. So in today's one we're going to decorate this large white skull which we purchased recently from Hobbycraft. We're not going to do his little friend there. That was actually made by us using Hydroflow by a company called Elichem. We're going to incorporate these rather funky little eyes which are a little bit fiddly. They were purchased from Amazon, and as per usual all information regarding products used will be in the description with links below. So it actually looks rather funky like that. Doesn't look particularly scary or creepy or anything Halloweeny at the moment. We're going to use the Posca pen and we're going to draw some segments out on the skull, and then we're going to fill it with coloured UV resins, either with mica powder and or with maybe some glitter and some UV resin, and we're going to do it. So this is a time lapse of me drawing these segments out using the Posca pen. So once you're happy with that, I've decided to go with glitter. These are leftover glitters from a kit that we bought recently from the range. Very, very, very good value for money kit, resin kit that they had. Please check back, look through our previous videos where you can see the unboxing and review, and also me using the kit. So we're just mixing this colour up. We're going to use this colour and we're going to apply it to the top. There we are. This bit's sped up a bit for you because you know you don't need to watch loads and loads of me doing this. There we go. So just, I mean, you can apply it using a brush, a little silicone tipped stick, a micro brush, or you can use one of the little mini stir sticks like I was doing there. So unfortunately, as you can see, it's spread rather a long way because even though it's UV resin, it's still quite runny. So I decide I'm going to apply then various layers over the top so it just builds in the intensity of the colours. So as you can see, I've continued to go through the skull doing some of the other sections and also using some gold glitter in resin. Okay, this is all just a little bit quick. There we go. So there we are. There is the skull in all its glory. We've still got some gaps, so I've mixed up some of this beautiful frosted blue glitter and done exactly the same thing as you can see there. So we've done most of the sections now at this point. Going to use the silver metallic pen there. Again, that's from Amazon. We're going to fill in the eye sockets, the cheekbones. There we go. And just doing that there, colouring it all in. These particular range of pens are a joy to use. They are lovely and shiny, really give this brilliant silver colour. We're going to fill out some details now with the gold version, just in the nose part there. There we go. And you do have to press down on the nibs a bit just to get them to flow a bit. Do watch out because before you know it, they flow through very quickly and it's quite runny and it will possibly go places where you don't want it to go. So I'm going to colour in the teeth. So decided to go for some gold teeth. This guy definitely needs a trip to the dentist. But there we are. We're just filling it in there. There we go. Just happy, just making sure you get into all the little details there of the teeth. Fantastic. You could actually put some glitter on those as well if you wanted to be particularly sparkly. There we go. Not quite enough gold there in the nose section. And now we're just going to outline those cheekbones again with a little bit of the gold. Obviously, only apply the gold once the silver has completely dried, or you may risk wiping one off. We're just going to outline the inner parts of the eye sockets. There we go. Needed to get a bit more of the ink to come down. There we are. Yeah, I'm struggling a bit with this pen at this point. I think it might be almost run out, but yeah, so we're just going around the outer bit of the eye sockets now, just to try and give it a bit of depth. So I mean, you could leave it like that at this point, pop the eyes back in, or not have any eyes in it at all, or you could freehand draw some eyes with the black pen. I'm going to fill it with some UV resin. Here we go. And as I said, you know, everything that we've used, the products will be linked in the description box below. So just putting quite a decent amount of resin in there. Now what I've then decided to do is put some more of the glitter in. Love these glitters. flash glitters, I think they refer to them as in the kit. So just using the UV light there to set up the resin a little bit, and then got hold of the eye that I showed you at the beginning. So there we go, he's almost like he's alive. He's come to light. Here we go. And we're just setting the rest of that resin, and then over to do the other eye socket. This was a little bit fiddly to hold because obviously some of the resin that I'd put around the outer edges of the skull and the head part was still a little bit tacky. So I mean, it's up to you if you want to wait until the following day to do this part. But I was, you know, for quickness, was doing this all in the one evening. There we go. So just popping the other eye in, which caused a bit of problem there, a bit of spillage of glitter. Nobody likes spilling glitter. The cleanup is immense usually. There we are, there's the other eye. I'm just adjusting it slightly. But I think that looks rather good. Just setting it up with the UV light there. And there he is. And here is the final bit where we're just doing a handheld bit of camera action from me. Apologies, it's not great, but it's okay. Thanks again for watching. Sorry about all the stuff in the background there. There's a little bit of a sneaky peek of what we get up to. Thanks again for watching. As I said, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And we've got a new schedule coming out soon, so don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get notified of when all our other videos come out. Thank you. Goodbye.